Okay, you just got your veggie bag home. Happy days in your little box. Very easy to get started with your veggie bag. You pop it out. It's going to naturally pop up spring-loaded and come up like this. Your wicking well is already in the bottom. Take out the little flyer, of course, out of there. And you're pretty well ready to go. Now you're going to fill it up with soil. Not just any soil. You must get a premium certified potting mix. We obviously recommend the Vegepod premium potting mix. It has been specifically formulated for veggie bags and Vegepods for the demands of edibles, for the type of structure that we want in a contained wicking bed. You should be able to get these from our stockists. We don't sell them online. It's all of our retail store network. So check on our maps, give them a call, make sure they've got it. If they don't, at the very least, please go and get a premium certified mix. And it will have not only the red and white label ticks there, but it should have the word premium on there as well. So that's the bare minimum. Now, when you fill the soil up, you're going to need 2 bags of the 30-litre bags, and it should take it pretty well up to the top of the plastic rim here to where the mesh and the protection mesh starts. Once it's up to there, it's then up to you to what you want to plant. You might do seeds, you might do seedlings, you might do tomatoes, whatever it is. Obviously, this is a dwarf tomato, so that one's going to be relatively easy, and it's only going to come up, say, yay big. Once your plants get this big, they either get contained by the mesh itself and zipping it up or trimming it, or you can simply let it out. Now, you defeat the purpose somewhat of the protection mesh and the microclimate canopy by doing so, but if you really want to get up and out, you can still have it as the best wicking base pot, if you like, that you can get out there. I mean, look at this. This is 4 years old, and I've got a massive quince tree growing out of a veggie bag. So obviously it doesn't contain within the mesh anymore, but it's still drawing from that beautiful wicking cell in the base with all the soil as well, which I keep refeeding.